Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhinaya. I am from NewZen Infotech and my trainer name is Surendra Sir. Now I am going to explain about inheritance. What is inheritance? Acquiring properties from one class to another class is known as inheritance. In inheritance, we have two classes. One is parent class and one is child class. Which shares the properties is called parent class and which acquires the properties is called child class. In inheritance, we have five types. That is single and multi-level and multiple and hierarchical and hybrid. First, coming to single level. In single level, we have one child class and one parent class. One child class acquiring properties from one parent class is known as single level inheritance. This is parent class. This is parent class and this is child class. And coming to multi-level, one child class acquiring properties from one parent class and that parent class acquiring properties from one parent class. This is child class and these two are parent class. This child class acquiring properties from this parent class and this parent class acquiring properties from another parent class is known as multi-level inheritance. And coming to multiple level inheritance, one child class acquiring properties from two or more parent class is known as multiple inheritance. This is known as multiple inheritance. And coming to hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is one or two or more child class acquiring properties from one parent class is known as hierarchical inheritance. See, this is parent class and these two are child class. These two child class acquiring properties from this parent class is known as hierarchical inheritance. Coming to hybrid inheritance, combining or merging two or more inheritance is called as hybrid, except to multiple inheritance. This is about inheritance. Thank you.